Natural gas last week traded with swings, failing to trade beyond 3.15, 3.2 zone, which was the critical resistance zone. We have seen the prices breaching below 3. Yes, the critical number at 3, which has been a support since last year or so. Yes, $3 zone has been a greater support. And yes, notice the next support zone as well, 2.94, 2.92. I have mentioned in my last week it has to be these levels 2.9492, which needs to be taken in order to confirm the breakdown here in net gas. Can we say now, are we looking forward to a greater down move here? Are we looking forward to a gap filling exercise in natural gas where the prices are going to move towards 2.78 and 2.6 levels, or the lows are done and wait for a reversal and recovery? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast. I do share my twice a day updates, and only I this is the only channel to do so twice a day. Yes, first update is always released with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Just subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start towards the end of the update. I'll be sharing the trading levels. So watch till the end. See, first on the weekly charts, it is pretty important to note the support at 3. This is a critical number for natural gas to break below, and there is a huge gap left towards 2.78. So now any point of time in the coming week, you see natural gas trading below 3 and then 2.9492 zone, stay short for 2.78. That is the first target which it would like to achieve. And then 2.6, 2.62 should be the next targets. But notice what has happened here. See, if you look at the move in natural gas, every drop offsets with a retracement. And now this is a third straight bearish candle, though the body size is increasing, but also you can see lower highs and lower lows. And if at all you see a move beyond 3.2, that is the level which will confirm the next move towards 3.4 and in fact 3.6. It is possible. See, diminishing bearishness is what you can see, but the last two candles are a point of concern, as you can see these two increasing body size, increasing bearishness. And thus 3.2 levels is the only level which will decide the direction natural gas wants to take. A move beyond 3.2 will confirm a move towards 3.4 and 3.6 zone. However, right now it is not showing any such strength. The moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic getting oversold on the weekly charts, which calls for it to show a pullback. Let's wait for a reversal. Till 3.2 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. Now notice on the weekly charts what has happened. After retracing, the MACD has crossed over here at the top, and since then the prices are just trading bearish. Notice it is not that it cannot rise further, because see, the lows what we had seen is at minus 1000, the highs were at 1000, and now it is almost at the neutral line. So from here it can still decide to show you a breakout on the upside, but right now it is not showing the strength. The RSI is trading bearish, looking downwards. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts I've shown this several times. Look at the resistance. 6 candles failed to trade beyond 3.2. One attempt to move towards 3.2, failing to do so, just kissing 20 period, prices have reversed. Now notice drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now again drop again. If you see natural gas trading below 3, stay short for 2.97, 2.9492. And if these levels are taken, remember it might deliver a stronger down move. We will look forward to 2.78, 2.8 levels, the first target zone. And below that it might head towards 2.6. See, the stochastic here on the daily charts is rising. The MACD also, if you look at it, is crossed over after a series of bearishness. And this confirms that right now I'll say till 2.9294 in the coming week, you should not be treating this as bearish. Prices can still bounce back and the recovery could be very, very sharp. And for this to confirm a reverse, it is very important for natural gas to trade about 3.2. When you look at the RSI, this is placed comfortably. Coming to the 4 hour, look at the 4-hour charts here. Sideways movement, drops, retracement, drop, retracement, bigger retracement, then a drop. Now higher lows are seen and higher highs are seen. And that is why also I confirm that it has to trade now below 2.94, 2.92 zone in order to confirm a breakdown. The moving averages are trading bearish here. Stochastic has dropped to the bottom. The MACD has crossed over for sell. Trading with divergence is staying bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. Signs of bearishness here. Coming to the monthly. Now on the monthly charts, what has happened? See, first of all, long time back in my last year's reviews, you can find out we were talking about a gap filling exercise at 4.2, 4.4. The year it has started on a strongly bullish note, hitting the highs at free 5, close to 5, and since then it has erased most of the gains for the year and now has come down to the levels at which it has started the year 2025. And now it is very important for natural gas to take a direction. Now remember, these are the levels where you had seen a double bottom 2.6, 2.62. It is pretty important for gas to break these levels. If at all it decides to trade below 2.6, 2.62, that is the point of time we can say now natural gas is heading for another round of correction for the next few months. Now, if you look at the move here, what it has shown, a stronger pullback, retracement, then a pullback. Now, after retracement, this could be the first candle, and now the current candle might again be a red one. However, I'm still not confident for such a good drop. See, the stock ISIC here is oversold, here oversold, and whenever you see natural gas staying oversold, recovery begins. Look at the MACD after staying oversold for months. Now it is traded green, and right now it is still in green. It is not yet crossed over for sell, which is still a supportive sign for the bulls. The RSI has dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. For any of your queries, you can connect with me, write an email or ping me or Telegram. My contact details are there in the channel and video description. And those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a SAP-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. So it is pretty clear that right now it is at a point where it has to decide the direction. Until 3.2 you should not be treating this as bullish, but it can retrace towards 3.2. That is the bigger question. So if you now see natural gas trading beyond 3.06, stay bullish for 3.1, 3.11. This zone is important. Once it trades beyond 3.1, 3.11, 3.15 is the next target. And if it stays beyond 3.15, 3.18, 3.2 will arrive. Greater resistance is seen here. Breaking beyond 3.2, you can expect a greater up move here. Beyond 3.2, we can expect a good rise. The next targets are towards 3.3, 3.4, and then 3.6 levels. Right now, it is not showing such aggressive bullishness, but as and how it breaches the resistances on the upside, the bullishness is going to increase. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3, expect 2.97 and then 2.93. If this is taken, stay bearish for 2.88, 2.8 and 2.78. Now 2.8 and 2.7 is the greater support zone here on the downside, and if that is taken also, then 2.6 and 2.62 will be seen, below which you can just stay bearish for 2.4 and lower levels. I don't think that it is going to deliver such a massive bearish move here. However, these are markets and this is natural gas. It can do wonders. If it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp. And we have seen in the recent time frames itself, in the last few years, we have seen it crashing hard. Hence, you have to be cautious. I'll still say it is not yet confirming bearishness. It is not yet showing signs of a stronger bearish move ahead. It can possibly reverse. However, I will wait for it to break past the resistances on the upside in order to confirm the bullishness here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.